A Scottish skirt meets a Hanfu robe in the hallway. An Indian dress touches a colorful Mexican cape. This is how the world comes into our school.
Asia is full of wonders, from the Great Wall of China to the Temple of Thailand and the deserts of Middle East. It is the heart of traditions, spicy food, vibrant clothes, and some of the oldest civilizations in the world. Come and explore with us.
Yasu from Greece. Greece is the birthplace of philosophy and Olympic Games. It's famous for its sunny island, blue seas, and delicious food like souvlaki and feta cheese. Get ready to explore the rich culture and history of this amazing country.
Hi, do you know what country is that?
Greece.
What are you going to try now?
Greek yogurt.
Guten Tag from Germany. Germany is a country full of history, technology, and tradition. It's famous for its castles, music, and printing press and cars. Let's explore what makes Germany so powerful and interesting.
Hi, which country are you in?
I'm in Germany.
What are you doing?
I'm making traditional German foods, pretzel.
Here we are from New Zealand. This beautiful island nation is known for its stunning nature, from volcanoes and mountains to beaches and forests. Come and learn more about this exciting and unique country.
Hi, what is it?
It's a coin.
What is it for?
It's for traditional New Zealand dance.
Hi everyone, and welcome to Sweden. This beautiful country in Northern Europe is known for its peaceful lifestyle, innovative designs, and natural wonders like Northern Lights. Let's discover more about this cool and calm Nordic nation.
Ink flows on paper like music. A Greek boy holds an olive branch. Every time we meet a new culture, we grow a little more, like a tree with a new ring. The grass dances to sounds from many countries. A spinning toy shows mornings and nights in old Beijing. These moving feet are drawing a world map. When hands of different colors join under the sunset. The blue of Munich, yellow of Ghana, green of India, and red of China mix in our happy smiles.